Yo guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to create this Brainrot effect for next edit or music video. Starting off, I already have my clip. What I'm actually going to do first is I'm going to go ahead and go to our position. I'm going to push our clip around over here. Then I'm going to click on our clip layer, and then I'm going to go ahead and start actually scaling our clip to make sure it's kind of scaled right here. You just want to make it not like goofy, but just to open words, just scaled out. So around, let me see, right here you can leave it. Maybe try doing a little more right there. You can do something like that if you want. You can go and scale it out right here. And once you have something like this where your clip is actually scaled, make sure to leave a blank black space right on the right here, and this is where we're going to add our text. Once after we're done scaling our actual clip, we're going to go over here to new, go to text, and we're going to start adding our text. So I'm going to put brain right here, get control of our actual text right here, and we're going to start scaling it up. I'm going to duplicate our actual text right there. We're going to bring down brain then rot. If you want, you can also maybe just try messing around with it, something like this maybe. And right here you could just put your lyrics to the song or anything you want for your text. I might just leave Brainrot right here. Go and put just strive, since that's the name of my brand. Go ahead and scale this down. Once after that, I'm gonna go ahead and make a adjustment layer. Make sure it's above all of our layers right here. For the first effect, I'm going to go ahead and add a signal. It is a paid plugin. I'm going to go over here to hue, noise, and chroma loss, put both of these down all the way to 0. Go to our lumen modulation, turn off tape errors. And once after that, I'm going to go ahead and turn off our signal settings. I'm going to go ahead and add a noise effect, drag it in, and put our amount all the way up to 40. Close this out. Then I'm going to go ahead and add a mosaic effect. And the reason why I'm adding mosaic is to help actually not damage our clip, but just give it a nice blocky look. So right here, just like that, it gives a nice pixelated effect. So once after we add mosaic, I'm gonna go ahead and add curves. Go into curves, drag it in, and you just want to go ahead and follow the graph I'm about to make or something similar. So I'm gonna go here to our first point, drag it down to around right here. Then we're gonna make a second point right here, and we're gonna increase it till we get this kind of a rainbow hue-ish right here, and it's gonna basically damage our clip. So once after that, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna add invert, drag and invert, and I'm gonna bring up our blend just a bit, maybe around right here. Then we close this out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add s_JPEG damage. This is also a part of another paid plugin. Go to our res factor right here, and we're gonna increase it all the way up to 3. Then we'll go ahead and bring up our quality just a bit, and it's gonna help damage our actual video. Now for s_JPEG damage, it is optional. You guys don't need to use this effect, but it does help actually give us a nice Brainrot effect and helps damage our actual clip. But if you guys don't really have Sapphire Universe, you guys don't have to use s_JPEG damage. So I guess just for this effect, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of s_JPEG damage. So once after we either add or not add s_JPEG damage, I'm going to go ahead and add posterize time. And this is going to actually lower down our frame rate. So I'm going to go to our frame rate and put it at 15. Close this out. And yeah, that's how you create this Brainrot effect for next music video or edit. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, I would love it if you were to subscribe, like, leave a comment, or just go ahead and share this video. You guys don't have to, but it does help support me, helps my channel reach other people who want to learn new effects. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Keep on working hard and keep on staying creative. Peace out.